Hello traders, this is Ala Peters at 4:32 EST on March 26th. I'm thrilled to be here with you. I am here to share what Alpha Wave Trader method all about. And I'm here to answer your questions about the instruments of your choice. But before we start, it's essential to recognize a very crucial reminder from the following disclaimers. Never trade with risks you cannot afford. Review these disclaimers at your convenience. And always remember, it is absolutely essential to trade only after understanding full and complete risks involved in trading. So what makes Alpha Wave Trader method so different? Alpha Wave Trader method is a proprietary method I developed in 2008. What was different in 2008 and until 2008? Those of you who are in United States of America, unless you live in Israel, you know how powerful the collapse of 2008 had been. And if you come to the website and you click on About link, you can read my story. What was so different until 2008? Until 2008, I was a position trader. Until 2008, I invested and have done extremely well. Position trading stocks and investing in real estate. In 2008, I was in stocks such as oil and coal stocks and very heavily invested in real estate. The companies had absolutely sound fundamentals. But the companies were collapsing. And I was doing absolutely nothing because trading on fundamentals had been absolutely marvelous. And it worked extremely well in bullish markets for me. I never questioned if fundamentals are enough. I stayed in my oil and coal stocks, and 2008 was completely changing point for me when I recognized fundamentals are worthless. There is a lot more to the story. In 2008, I ventured out to explore the world of day trading because there was not much left to do in position trading. My very solid stocks were gone, about 80% of them, and real estate was not moving anywhere. I didn't have many options left on the table except start questioning everything about markets. I dived into the world of day trading. I took classes. I spent a fortune on indicators and software. I thought if somebody showed me the account statement, it means software works. I thought if I look back on the charts, and charts look so adorable going back years, it works. It could not be more opposite. The moment came in my trading when I recognized enough is enough. There is something very powerful about price, and everything only matters is in price. And that was the moment of truth. That's when I sat down in front of the charts. I started documenting and studying charts. Pretty much I recognized that there is a pattern, that there is a sequence, that there is a dance price doing, and it doesn't matter on what time frame, it doesn't matter on what stock. If I would show you this chart and you don't know what time frame it is, you don't have a clue. I will show you this chart, you don't know what time frame it is. I would show you this chart. They're all different charts. Some have time attached to them, some are don't. If you found the method that works, it doesn't matter if it's 1500 tick chart, if it's 1 minute chart, if it's monthly, if it's weekly, if it's yearly, or if it's 8 range chart. Sound method should work on any instrument and any time frame, and price is exactly the same everywhere. And I started developing my own strategy, my own method. I recognized that everything preset in price far in advance. How many S&P traders are here? Just quickly type in yes or no, please. I see very powerful responses. Only yes. I'm not interested in no, only yes. So quite a few of you are S&P traders. In the trading room, I demonstrate the method on S&P and oil, as they are completely opposite instruments. But students trade anything and everything, from stocks, options, forex, ETFs, things I've never even heard of in my life, because price remains the same everywhere. Why am I asking you about S&P? Today was one of the most powerful days that I recorded on video. Live trading day recorded on video. The power of Fibonacci levels and the power of knowing where reversal levels are. All the levels in front of you are the levels I developed. None of them are standard Fibonacci levels. I developed my own. I do not use regular Fibonacci levels. What has happened on S&P? Do you remember? We came to the market open, and as posted in live analysis that we always do at the room open, I said, I am not buying S&P at reversal levels. Do you remember what happened a few minutes after the market open? This was collapse on S&P of 14 points. Do you know what we've done? We bought S&P here multiple times. 5 charts gave us the point of entry, showing you precision and importance of alpha wave trader method, and knowing extremely well when to stay out and when not to enter. And this is the live trade video that posted on my website right here, that also includes monthly summary. So I will post this link in the room again. It's posted on my blog, it's posted on my YouTube channel. You can see all of this playing out live, recorded, when I was saying at the market open, stay out completely, we are at reversal zone, we need powerful pullback. The pullback was not just powerful, it was phenomenal. We bought at the very inception of the trend, and S&P flew 20 points. That was magical morning, reminding you, nothing in the price is random. Price, in fact, is absolutely magnificent and pure. Take a look where the collapse had ended. Price continued finding buyers at this level. In day trading room, I demonstrate the method on hourly chart. All the decisions made based on this crucial Fibonacci levels. And this is where we took the long from. After collapse from reversal zone, all spelled out by the price since yesterday. Price told us when to stay out since yesterday. Price told us where to look to buy since yesterday. And that's the magic of the price. And that's all I use in alpha wave trader method. No indicators of any kind, no software of any kind. Every trade taken based on crucial 4 rules I developed. Entry, stop, and target specific and precise, and so are exits, using Fibonacci levels. Only price and Fibonacci that matters in the markets, showing you very clearly that alpha wave trader method that applies to any instrument, any platform, any time frame, stocks, futures, forex, ETFs, options, from 1 minute to monthly to weekly to volume to range. This is what our students trading. I have a student who just came back to me and said, I'm trading volume charts. I said, good for you. I have students who came back and said to me, why don't you look at yearly charts? It never crossed my mind. I learned so much from my students. Any chart has alpha wave trader method, and formula remains the same. Price for entry, Fibonacci for exits. Here's examples of a couple of screenshots and a couple of things that are playing out currently. You will also be receiving this as tomorrow morning newsletter. The video I posted to you, you will be receiving tomorrow morning as a newsletter. You will also be receiving tomorrow morning the screenshot of Bank of America and oil news video from Wednesday. What is so powerful about screenshot of Bank of America? Do you know? Bank of America is heading south. South. Let me show you how powerful the collapse is and where Bank of America is heading to. All the levels in front of you are alpha wave trader Fibonacci levels. Bank of America is heading drastically lower, showing you how crucial the levels are and how important it is to only trade between the levels, never into levels. Each and every time, it doesn't matter what formula you use. This is what it's all about. Know your levels and know what not to enter into, and know where to take profits off the table. This screenshot is one of my favorite screenshots of all times. 1 second. We'll take a look what's happening with Euro right now. Here is EURUSD. The collapse from reversal level short from 3800 spelled out by the price since 2012. This is the post that's been posted on social media for the last year and a half, where I said, I expect Euro collapse until 3400, where buyers will step in. In July last year, I left for vacation, and I said, will 3400 be revisited? Why am I mentioning 3400? 3400 on Euro was a crucial level, identifying the end of the minor trend. Once that level is broken, bearish trend is major, and Euro collapsed into oblivion. Euro is heading to drastically lower levels. Let me show you where Euro is heading, and let me remind you all the levels and all the prices spelled out by the price far in advance. Euro is heading until 1. Just like Euro was struggling at 3400 for months and a half on weekly chart, expect this fight on Euro at 1 on monthly chart. It is absolutely crucial level. Euro will put up a fight for its life at this level. I think most of you guys are here Americans, and I think you understand how it feels when we travel in Europe. We feel dirt poor. It will no longer be the case. If 1 is broken, Euro is collapsing until 80 and then until 50. But 1 is first And if you know alpha wave trader rules, you will be monitoring here for reversal. And that's euro, short from 3,800 in process still. And here is a reminder of last year, Amazon. All spelled out and posted on social media far in advance, warning everyone, reversal zone is near. If you long Amazon, it's a good thing to adjust your trail very, very closely, as the fact word reversal zone means expect reversal. And Amazon reminds it all how powerful and how crucial these levels are. And this is the dance price continues each and every time. And I will show you many multiple examples. So why did I say goodbye to indicators in 2008? I recognize that indicators are so adorable and flashy and beautiful, but unfortunately 99.9% of indicators are delayed. Every single indicator I've ever encountered tries to do and is formed after the price already made a move. So when you look on the charts going back, you don't recognize that because it looks perfect. But when you come to the live markets, that's a different story. And that's a very big problem with indicators. No indicator on the planet will tell you what I will show you next. This was our trade on S&P from 2038, 1500 tick chart. Market spelled out at the time of entry where collapse will come from. No indicator on the planet will tell you that. And guess what? I will be teaching in tomorrow morning class. I will be teaching how did I come up with these levels on monthly chart of S&P future. Price spelled out all these levels since 2011. And if you clear what has happened on 1500 tick chart, if you clear what has happened on Amazon, you know what it means. What will happen on S&P next? We are heading for very powerful reversal. Later on, I will show you yearly charts. Every single chart at reversal levels. For the last 4 months, we've been witnessing bearish correction. And this is what market does first. Bearish correction and only then reversal. And this is what I would be teaching in tomorrow class. It's my favorite class to teach. I have students who coming back to that class since 2 years ago because it never ends. It's so much fun. Short on oil from 106, posted on social media from the last year and a half at reversal zone. This is the post. Oil heading back down to 43, 42 since 106. What are you seeing on oil? Where did oil make it to? 42.50 level this week. And you know what oil is telling me? It's only bullish correction. There is no powerful reversal yet. If you're a position trader, there is no bullish reversal yet. It's only a correction. Exact same thing you witnessed on Euro in 2013, as Euro first gave a correction and then spectacular reversal. Reminding you, don't ever disrespect reversal area. If you're a position trader, it's way too late to short oil. Don't ever acquire a position into reversal zone. But that's exactly why we've been witnessing bullish rallies on small time frames. And this is precisely why yesterday, despite bearish news, I was buying oil. This is oil daily, and this is where bullish rally came from. All spelled out by the price since the month of January. Know where reversal zone is. Don't ever short into it. If rules are met, take a trade. Rules are not met, like currently on oil monthly. If you're trading monthly chart, there is absolutely nothing here. If you're trading hourly and daily and weekly, that's a different story. But that's precisely the reason we're witnessing this bullish rally on daily chart. So, I worked with multiple software developers. I recognized and I never came across indicators that would impress me, ever. Because I recognize the only thing that matters is the price. Every single programmer I ever worked with, every single software developer I've ever worked with, showing to me, tell me what price does and let's apply the formula. So I said, heck with it. Why do I want to apply the formula to the price? I'll just dive in the world of studying the price and see if I can figure it out. Many thousand hours later, I still extremely passionate about the price. I find it a magnificent, beautiful puzzle that I continue solving daily. And if you will take a look on live videos, if you hear very fun exchanges we have in a trading room, we are having blast. We are having awesome time. As each and every time price confirms that the only thing matters is price and Fibonacci. The very last indicator I've ever used was moving average crossover. Moving averages crossover are absolutely perfect in trending markets. How often do we have trending markets? 20% of the time. What happens the other 80%? The other 80% we either have ranging markets or corrective markets. That's when moving averages crossover are not such a good idea. For example, if you take a look on this chart, no moving average will ever tell you when to stay out of worthless formations. Only your knowledge of the price and markets will. Moving average crossovers will never keep you out of market consolidation. This is precisely the time when knowledgeable trader must stay out and never ever ever trade the markets. When you have extremely narrow range, when you have complete indecision. So let's skip the stochastics, let's not worry about that. It's really time consuming talking about indicators. Here's a chart of one of my students. So let me just give you the numbers on the students so you know who comes to me typically. 90% of the students who come to me had been in the markets for at least 2 years. 20% of my students been in the market 20 plus years. This is a chart of one of the students who's been a trader for 20 years. Jim was a private mentoring student. When I teach in private mentoring sessions, I log in into the trader's computer because I would like to see why Jim had been struggling for 20 years. And that was the clear answer. 9 indicators later, I gave up and stopped counting. That was it. Where's the price? Is anybody seeing price? Where did it go? Where is it hiding? What do you learn if you invest 20 years of your life into something other than yourself? The same formula that applies to life applies to trading. In trading, you invest into something else. You don't become a better trader. In trading, you become something else if you invest in your knowledge. Same formula. Education is power. Indicators is not education. Educate yourself. If one thing you learn from this webinar, do what I've done. Remove all the indicators and simply get to work. Spend thousands of hours solving the puzzle. You may end up developing your own method. As of last week, I developed 2 additional strategies, and I continue doing so. My knowledge of the markets and knowledge of the price becomes clear and clear every day. The first year, I probably spent 20 hours in front of the computer. The moment I discovered my first strategy, I literally was just completely blown away how simple price is. I thought I got it. I could not be more wrong. I continue discovering more and more about the price, and I continue seeing it's an absolutely perfect dance. And it is very, very simple, and it is very, very clear, and it keeps repeating itself on any instrument and any time frame. This is all you will ever see in Alpha Wave Trading Room. Nothing more, nothing less. When I look at my charts, this is all I need. It's all in front of me. Reversal, volume, strength, weakness. Rules are met, I take a trade. Rules are not met, I don't take a trade. It's that simple. More time I spend with price, more I learn about the price. And that magic never ever ever ceases to amaze me. If you come to the website, there is something very, very powerful we are doing that nobody else is doing in our business. We let our students share audio testimonies. We have completely open forum. If you click listen to our graduates, you could see what our students are trading. Sam actually reporting his latest results. You can see Sam in education room. He's trading options, oil, S&P and stocks. Lloyd is trading options, S&P, stocks. You can see traders are trading anything and everything, Forex. And it goes on and on and on and on. Our traders posting results. We continue updating the audio testimonies. Clear? I already explained, Mark. If you come on my website, you can read my story. That's what we started the webinar with. I'm mesmerized by the price. If you click on About, you can review this in detail. I developed my own method. I like to create my own things. I never found anything in trading that impressed me. It's that simple. As of today, I developed 18 strategies. And I will develop a whole lot more. And no strategy has any indicators whatsoever. It's that simple. So if you like starting, creating your own companies, your own methods, if you are as mesmerized by the price as I am, I highly encourage you to do the same. And that's how I developed my own method. By being fascinated with the price, by seeing each and every day that price is perfect, that everything preset in price far in advance. Everything else, fundamentals, is just background noise. Fundamentals only matters when it confirms the price. You can find my FOMC live trade video on YouTube channel and my blog. This was a reminder. All the levels spelled out by the price a week prior, where the buyer stepped in on most volatile FOMC in years. We took the ride for 9 points. Reminding you, you know where alpha wave trader Fibonacci levels are? You know where to buy? Enjoy the ride. And this formula keeps repeating itself, time and time again. Frankly, in a nutshell, this is it. What else do I have to tell you? If you've never heard of Fibonacci, let me tell you what that is. Fibonacci is pure magic, confirming that nothing in this world is random. Look around. Did you ever question why the flowers have such perfect symmetry? Why the human body has such perfect symmetry? Why the trees, the waves are so perfect? So is price. Leonardo Pisano discovered this sequence, and this is what I use in alpha wave trader method. This is the numbers, and this is the key to alpha wave trader method, this golden ratio. And this is what I teach time and time again. How to properly apply and properly use these levels. This is what I was teaching today in our class. Here it is, the secret of alpha wave trader method. Only trade inception of the wave 1. This is what we've done today when we bought at S&P, as shown on YouTube channel and blog from 2038. Don't ever trade counter trend. Could not be more opposite. Mark, very dangerous statement to make. Why? I've never taken Elliott wave course, but I have plenty of students who come to me from Elliott wave background, and you can actually speak to them. What is the magic of alpha wave trader method? Simple and precise. If anybody ever taken Elliott wave course, what do they say? Subjective and speculative. This is all in front of you. Alpha wave trader method. Trend consists of maximum 5 waves. We only buy inception of the trend. Reversal levels is where major trend ends. Only trade wave 1, never trade wave 2. Only last opportunity to buy at the inception of wave 3. When you come to the end of wave 3, the worst idea to trade. Stay out completely. That's simple. That's alpha wave trader method, and that's what I teach in my classes. Major trend consists of 5 waves. Minor trend consists of 3. We only trade wave 1 and wave 3. Elliott wave method, what students tell me, could not be more opposite. This is it. It's that simple. All you see is in front of you. Enjoy the ride at the inception of the trend. When price comes to the end of the trend, reversal levels, monitor for reversal. Separate correction from reversal. Clear? And this is what we trade. Only the first wave. Once you're buying at the end of wave 3, you are in serious trouble. You're buying right into reversal zone. Ranging markets where knowledge of the trader is really tested. If you don't know what correction is, you are not ready to trade seriously. Absolutely crucial test. Absolutely essential to know. Here it is. S&P right now in correction. Knowledgeable trader who looks at this chart walks away from computer instantly. Trader who does not know that this is correction and trying to trade this, success rate 20%. In Alpha Wave Trader website, we update results daily in front of you. When you come to the website and you click on results, you can see results going back 3 years. I demonstrate everything in front of you. I trade on multiple different charts, all the stops and all the targets based on time frame I trade. We have students who have extremely large account size and trade with very small stops and very small targets. You don't need much if you have very large account size. Students have drastically smaller account size, have no interest trading 7-tick stop and 7-tick targets. They go for drastically bigger time frames and drastically bigger targets. The reason why I trade S&P and oil is because they are completely opposite. Oil is drastically low liquidity instrument, appeals only to those who are interested in volatility and only small lot size, as you cannot trade large volume on oil. Clear? So far this month on oil I completed 42 trades, demonstrating the method in the trading room. 37 trades are positive. On S&P, 43 trades, 39 are positive. And that's Alpha Wave Trader method. If you have something that delivers that kind of results, that's what you should trade. If you're spending time with price only, you can deliver the same results as our students do. So what else do I have to tell you? Nothing much, except on Monday morning you will receive the invitation to the trading room. I operate 2 trading rooms, one for the students and one for the visitors. The room that students are in, we have ongoing educational discussions. The room where the visitors are, you will see the trades, you will hear the trades, but you will not learn, you will only watch method in action. Clear? So in a nutshell, this is it, traders. Wave 3 is the most important wave in Alpha Wave Trader method. That's what we are after. And every image you had seen in front, you had witnessed where price had ending and how dangerous it is to enter at the end of wave 3. Exact same formula applies if you're trading to the downside. That's where oil is currently, at the end of wave 3 on monthly chart. Not a good idea to short now. Anything is possible as oil in bullish correction. So here are a few examples, and I look forward answering your questions. Euro's 3-minute chart reminding you how important it is to buy only at the inception of the trend or buy only at the inception of wave 3. Acquiring position at wave 3 at the end of wave 3 is the worst idea ever. When traders said, "Oh my God, I bought such a spectacular trend, but price collapsed," it's because trader does not know where reversal zone is. That's exactly what happened on Bank of America, where Bank of America collapsed from. Clear? Reminding you, you're holding Bank of America, you know when to get out, and you know when not to buy. very similar to S&P. Here is Google weekly chart. Collapse from the end of the minor trend. Reminding you, this will forever be the most important level in the market structure. Always and forever. We have minor trend. We not always have major trend. So ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm a lot more interested showing you live trade examples. Oil extremely choppy, respecting Fibonacci levels. This is classic magnificent structure, major trend, 5 waves, complete reversal. So this is what alpha wave trader method consists of. Price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. No software, no indicators of any kind. Any platform, any instrument, any time frame. This is what defines market structure, Fibonacci levels. Therefore giving you high probability entries, high probability targets, and areas of inherent danger. It's absolutely crucial to know when to stay out. As I mentioned, David, once I'm done, I will answer questions. Patience is a virtue. This month we are doing something very different, which I do only once a year. We're doing Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp as of April 6th. Unfortunately, guys, it's very late webinar. We have only one space left as of today. Space is limited. It's always very fun environment. You master the strategy in very short time frame in live trading environment. There is no disruption, students only. Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp included in the course. Highly encourage you, if you're interested, review the information on the website under Learn. Any questions, you can always contact me. When you click on Contact Us page, you can see my phone number and my email. Again, I highly encourage you to review the information on the website. Click on Learn and let me show you briefly. This is what's included in the course. 8 weeks ongoing daily education. If you're lucky enough and you would take that last spot, bootcamp is included. All the graduates who are coming back to take the bootcamp have to pay additional fee. Half of the bootcamp group are graduates who continue taking bootcamps because it's pure blast. In the basic course, you learn 2 strategies: trend inception and trend identification. In the bootcamp, you will learn the strategy, my latest strategies that I named Dream. Clear? Any questions? Always feel free to email at any moment. So please, guys, let me know what questions you have. I look forward answering your questions. Marvelous. Thank you, Gary. Take a look. Let me go back to the questions, and that's what I ask you guys. Please wait until you will post the questions as I look forward answering them. Again, the link is posted in front of you. You can browse the website and you can take a look at the information. Learn about the bootcamp and about the course. So let me go back and see the questions that have been posted earlier so I can answer them. Monthly Apple. Excellent questions going on Apple. Apple is currently at reversal levels, ladies and gentlemen, giving us only bearish correction. This is where Apple is currently. Next question, please. USD CAD, please let me know the time frame. As you could see, guys, if you posted the question earlier, you have to repost the question because I have to scroll back up. DAX. What time frame, Igor, on DAX? As you can listen to audio testimonies, plenty of our traders trading DAX. If you listen to Michael or Kathy, they both trade DAX. What time frame on DAX, please? Daily. USD CAD, what time frame? Minutes, any minutes on USD CAD? Okay, so please post questions, the instruments are coming up. Currency, let's go, USD CAD. Done. Next question. Major stocks only, please. I'm not sure what that means. If that's a major stock, I will gladly pull it up. TWTR coming up, TWTR. I don't have TWTR, it's not a major stock. Major stocks only. Tesla, Magic, have it. AIG, a lot of stock traders, fantastic. AIG coming up. Next question. Netflix coming up. What time frame do you trade on Netflix? You need to post the time frame, traders, or I will pick any time frame I want. It's not a major stock, as you could see. It's not under this list. It's not under major stock listings. It's one of the newest stocks. It's not major stock. SPY, we already looked on SPY multiple times. S&P is SPY. I will bring it up again. Yahoo Monthly, my goodness, only stock traders. Okie dokie, let's rock and roll. Let me answer your questions. Shall we? Question number 1, Apple Monthly. I already had shown Apple Monthly in correction, reminding you. It's extremely late and extremely dangerous to acquire position at these levels. Price become extremely unpredictable. Clear? Bearish correction in a play. Very, very late to buy. Price is exhausted. Major trend is done. What do you need to see on Apple? You need to see a very powerful push to the downside and buy well outside of reversal zone, but only if alpha wave trader rules are met. Currently, if you did not buy Apple at drastically lower levels, this is not the place or time to buy Apple. Way too late. I will go by the instrument manager I have. Next question was on USD CAD and then the rest of the stocks that had been named. I would like to show you USD CAD monthly chart. Monthly chart. This is the power of the price. You're gonna be in the trading room the entire next week at no charge. USD CAD on monthly chart in 2014 reached the end of the minor trend and found extreme struggle and extreme pain. Price struggled at this level for 8 months. Finally, USD CAD blasted through this level, reminding you, bad place to buy and bad place to enter into. Month 3, CAD in correction. What time frame you would like me to look on smaller chart? Going down to hourly, weekly, weekly. Weekly cannot be more powerful. The downtrend is in a play. If you know alpha wave trader method, you already had been short on CAD weekly. This is CAD weekly. What is crucial on CAD right now? This level, 23.34. Price blasting through this level, it's collapsing to here. This was brutal fight at the end of the minor trend on CAD weekly. 10 weeks took trend to decide for a trend to become a major level. Next question on CAD is CAD hourly. CAD hourly. You had very lovely buying opportunity a couple of hours ago on CAD hourly. Let me show you why. CAD hourly had been testing the end of the minor bearish trend entire week. It doesn't matter to me, Roy, as I explained the entire webinar, any time frame. 1 minute, monthly, weekly, whatever you trade is what the time frame you look at. We looked on CAD weekly and here's CAD hourly. CAD weekly at reversal levels, CAD hourly at the end of the minor trend, reminding you this is the most important level in the market structure. And this is where buyers continue stepping in, giving short trend very difficult time. Short trend cannot break through this level. Reminding you, know where the Fibonacci level is and know what not to enter into. Look where to buy from. Next question was, I'm just going in alphabetical order. AIG. AIG, what time frame, please? My pleasure. What time frame on AIG weekly? A lot of position traders. Marvelous. Spectacular. You need Fibonacci levels badly. God forbid you trading on fundamentals. Oh my goodness. AIG. Look at that. Look at the pain. Doesn't this remind you something I had shown you an hour ago? This is identical to what you saw on Euro. Brutal war zone on AIG at reversal zone. Sell, sell, sell. But only if rules are met. AIG heading to 53.23. Extremely crucial response at 53.23 level. Clear? Doesn't matter if it's AIG hourly chart or weekly or monthly. Reminding you, know when to stay out and know when not to buy. Last chance to buy on AIG was at 53.23. If this time around AIG will break this level, it will head to drastically lower levels. 53.23 monitoring for alpha wave trader rules is crucial. Take a look how similar this chart is to what happened on Euro. What did I say? Monitor for 3400. And that's what I'm saying on AIG. The same response, reversal zone. Next question in alphabetical order is DAX. What time frame on DAX, please? What time frame on DAX? Daily. Right now I have a student from Moscow. Currently we have students from Dubai, from Moscow, from London, Canada. It's such a small and beautiful world. I adore Sasha. So, what is extremely important on DAX daily? Again, quite a few of our traders trade DAX. I'm meeting with one of our DAX traders on April 10th in Newport Beach. We have Alfie's meeting and Michael trades DAX. Currently, DAX in bearish correction. If DAX is breaking through this level, it's heading until 1160. This is very, very crucial level. Let me show you precisely where price heading to on DAX. I had a couple of forex traders from Croatia. I was there this summer meeting them. That's a picture from Croatia. A bunch of pictures posted with students on the website. If you click on About, you can see our students. Plenty of students, plenty of students. This one was of the last two meetings. This is Michael, DAX trader. We're meeting again. This is me. This is William, stock and option trader from New York. This is our spouses. So let me show you precise levels on DAX. This is where DAX is currently. Pay attention to the levels. DAX at the end of the minor bearish trend. $11,421.5 is next. If this level is broken, DAX is heading until here. But as you could see, where the buyers coming from? Not surprising. Know where the end of the minor trend is and know where to enter. Next question, please, was on Netflix. Netflix heading into oblivion, traders. Ouch. This is where Netflix is heading to. Further out. 407.55. Please write down these levels. Response at this level will be crucial. 396.68. Again, at each level you have to monitor for alpha wave trader rules to see if it's the end of the collapse. 407.55 is the most important level. Next level is 396.68. And after that, 379.96. Heading into reversal zone. But let me show you where the collapse on Netflix came from. Love, love, love Netflix. From reversal zone. Very simple and very pure. And that's what I'm teaching tomorrow in Fibonacci class. Take a look. Did you know to sell here? And it's not over yet. Netflix heading drastically lower. Next question was on Tesla. What time frame on Tesla, please? Daily? Tesla, daily or weekly? I love weekly chart. Less noise is better. Here is Tesla. This is where Tesla is. So let me show you where Tesla is and where it's heading to and where it came from. Tesla right now at decision point 2. What do we know about decision point 2? Between this level and this level, it's the least important level in the market structure. Trend ends at this level only 20% of the time. Only 20% of the time. Buyers continued stepping in from this level. Very narrow range when it comes to weekly chart. Not much excitement. Tesla is heading to 160. I hope and pray you ain't long no Tesla. Let me show you where you should have been shorting Tesla based on alpha wave trader method. Flawless short. Flawless. Right out of the manual. Magnificent short structure. Good for you. Love it. Short from here. Reminding you, don't ever buy at reversal levels. Heading till 160. So if you know alpha wave trader method, you'll be collecting serious profit. Next question was on Yahoo. Yahoo. Spectacular buying opportunities long Yahoo if you're trading weekly chart. Where's Yahoo struggling right now? At the end of the minor trend. What is Yahoo weekly telling me? Yahoo weekly cannot be more clear. It's heading higher up. This is the only obstacle. The end of the minor trend in front of you. Clear? Expect this level to be broken. Yahoo heading to 47 and drastically higher. Expect selling pressure at reversal levels. Last question was on, let me see, there was a question. Guild monthly. I have no idea what Guild monthly is. Is that a stock? Is that a major stock? Wow, everybody is a stock trader. Fascinating. Okay, I don't have a response for Guild. It's not a major stock, ladies and gentlemen. If you're trading Facebook, let's go. Nobody's answering about Guild. FB is FB major stock. A, B, C, D, E, F. About 10% of the students in the course are stock traders. Yes, it is. Marvelous. Let's look on Facebook. No, I don't trade stocks. I trade futures. My students trade anything, as I explained to you. If you go on the website, listen to audio testimonies, click on this orange thing, see it on the homepage. Students trade anything. Price is the same everywhere. Let's look on Facebook weekly. It's very, very unusual for us to have only stock traders. What time frame, please? Facebook, daily, not weekly. Everybody wants to see daily. Okie dokie. So while I'm still on weekly, let me show you where Facebook right now on weekly chart. Because if you are trading daily, you should know what's happening on weekly. This is where Facebook currently on weekly chart. At the end of the minor trend. Facebook heading to 88.88. And then 94.70. But Facebook reminding you, no Fibonacci levels. Respect alpha wave trader rules. Don't buy at this level. Buy always drastically lower. Because here Facebook deciding, shall the bullish trend become major or shall it remain minor? Most important level in the market structure. This level is broken. Facebook heading to 88.88 and much higher up. This will be powerful selling pressure starting at this area. So let's take a look at Facebook Daily next. Facebook Daily next. Facebook Daily at reversal levels. You don't want to be long Facebook if you're trading daily chart. Ouch. Picture perfect reminder, know where reversal levels are and know where to short from, not to buy into. So let me show you where Facebook heading to on daily chart. It's almost at that level. 81, the end of the minor bearish trend to the downside. If the buyers will step in with vengeance and will defeat 81, highly unlikely based on what Facebook is telling me right now. If it's gonna collapse to 79.36 or even reversal zone, the buying pressure will be very, very powerful based on what weekly chart is telling me. But right now is not the time to buy Facebook. Not the time to buy Facebook if you're trading daily chart. You are short and this is your first target. So ladies and gentlemen, I will take a look at that one stock Gilead one more time, and we are done. Any other questions, please let me know. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Gilead. No, it is not a major stock. It is not. My pleasure. I'm sorry, stocks. 1 second. Very good point. Let's go to stocks. Gilead, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No, we already... Here it is. Gilead Science is a major stock. Let's look. Let's look. Gilead. What time frame, please? Weekly. Coming up. So, since we are already on daily chart, massive fluff. Guild weekly is very random. It's not a beautiful chart. It has so many gaps. Ouch. Ouch. Oh. I will show you what's beautiful and what's nasty about this stock right now. This is where collapse on Gilead came from. Reversal zone. Right now Gilead is extremely confused when it comes to weekly chart. It is a ridiculously bad looking chart. Why is the problem with Gilead right now? Take a look. It's stuck at this Fibonacci level. It's nasty. Price is beyond confused. This is what we defined as the corrective markets. There is nothing beautiful about Gilead except say, stay out. It's stuck at Fibonacci decision point 2. That's the target price. Stay out. Clear? Your short on Gilead was from here. Rules had been met. Right now there is nothing to do but to stay out. Buyers came from the end of the minor trend, as I continue warning you. Do you know where to short from? You better know where to take profits off the table. Nothing good happens on Gilead now. This is your test of the correction. Yes, And that's what separates knowledgeable trader from trader who must be in a trade at all times. Cannot be more opposite. And that's guilt. Clear? One more question. I see that. And we are out. And is that the stock? Is that the stock? XNIS, is that the stock? ITC is the stock. No, no ITC on this list of major stock. So, okie dokie traders, if you had enough of indicators, I highly encourage you explore all the videos on the website. You can go to YouTube channel and you can see 3 years worth of videos. Live trades, all happening in the live markets. Once you learn the method, you can trade any instrument and any time frame. The summary from today shows the live trading markets today. If you're interested in learning the method, click on Learn page, review everything about the bootcamp. If you're lucky enough to grab the last spot, always feel free to call me, email me with any questions you may have. We have a very fun community of traders. You will see what will be happening in the room on Monday. The Fibonacci class is pure blast. We have a lot of great creative energy, a lot of successful traders. So this webinar had been recorded. You will receive the recording of the webinar either Monday evening or Tuesday morning, because Friday devoted to class only. Everything else is closed. If you're a knowledgeable trader, you know the danger of trading on Friday. So on Friday, I only teach Fibonacci class as posted on the website. Every Friday we meet at 11 a.m. EST. We look on long-term stocks and futures. And I teach students how to create this Fibonacci tool, how to identify reversal zones and buying points. And that's what it's all about. Only price and Fibonacci. Nothing else matters. So thank you so much, traders, for being here. I look forward to seeing you in a trading room. Marvelous. Thank you, Gary. Any questions? Always look forward to hear from you. This is my phone number and this is my email. People sometimes are shocked when I call back or I pick up the phone. Don't be surprised. I love to hear from you. And if you hear what students have to say, you'll get to meet them. Quite a few of them will be in classes and Monday morning in education room. So thank you, traders. Thank you so much. If you would like me to give you a link, I will gladly do so to my room for next week. Would you like me to do so? One second, let me see if I can find it. Yes, I found it. You will also receive it Monday morning around 6 a.m. EST. Let me give you this link. One second. I will post the link on the bottom, and I will post the link in front of you. And again, expect to see the email Monday morning. Any questions? Pretty please call me. I look forward to hearing from you. Email me, do due diligence, listen to the students, review the performance, and I review live trade videos. Thank you so much, traders. My joy and my pleasure being here. Trading room opens at 9:30. I meet with the students much earlier. For the visitors, room is open at 9:30. Thank you so much. Have a joy-filled weekend. I'm here to answer your questions. Thank you. Thank you so much, traders. Have a joy-filled weekend. Look forward to seeing you on Monday. Bye-bye.